Haya. Wacha niwaletee gavana Lonyangapuo.
Ndugu yangu Mheshimiwa Governor Wycliffe, mulisema ni wanyama ama wafula? Wangamati www. Mheshimiwa Chief Case Eugene Wamalwa, Mheshimiwa Oparanya ambaye ni chairman ya Council of Governors, Mulembe Nation. Mulembe, habari yenu? Kwetu wanasema sipakuoko. Salamu kutoka the great county of West Pokot. West Pokot lazima utoke hapa, upitie Trans Nzoia, ukule mahindi, ufike West Pokot ukunywe maziwa na damu. Mnapokea salamu? Mimi huwa sitoki boundary ya West Pokot. Lazima kuna jambo yenye imenileta hapa. I really do not walk around. Ukitaka tafuta West Pokot chini ya miti, juu ya mawe, chunga mbuzi na ng'ombe. Lakini nimekuja kwa ishara moja. Ati Bungoma County imebadilishwa na pesa ya devolution. Mpaka siku hizi barabara zenu za town na za reserve, na nilikuja asubuhi nika tembea humu. Unajua mimi na nyinyi ni moja. Hata kama nyinyi ni Mulembe, mimi pia ni Mulembe by extension. So nimekuja kuona na nimeshuhudia. Na nilikuja na team kubwa kutoka West Pokot, MCS na some workers kutoka county, ili tujione. Tukirudi nyumbani jioni hii tuweze kuona how we can, whatever we learned from our neighbor kutoka Bungoma. Wapi watu wa West Pokot wasimame? Makofi ya bure. Ndugu yangu senior Professor Nyang'nyong'o amesema under tight and difficult circumstances devolution is working. We can see the fruits. Na wiki hii jana ilikuwa climax. I think the man who was on the hot soup for no reason for 2 days free was our chairman Oparanya, and everybody in Senate was fighting him. And we talked with Nyang'nyong'o. I don't know where the rain beat those guys. We were better, Bwana. You remember I was with you in the Senate, but we didn't reach this level. So I want to wish you well, the people of Bungoma, and to say, although you are in Bungoma County, neighboring Uganda, you are still Kenyans. You are the same as us. We border Uganda. But I want us to develop Bungoma under the leadership of His Excellency Wangamati. And when Bungoma is developed equally like Kakamega all the way to Lodwar to Mombasa, Kenya, which is steered by the President of the Republic of Kenya, Uhuru Kenyatta, assisted by Kina Eugene Wamalwa here, will shine. Our country will shine. So whatever you do, just know every little bit you add is going to be seen. I know we have had a problem. Everybody is putting on a mask. And that thing must not be seen in Kenya again. And wherever it came from, it must go. So that our economy can peak. But the economy is not money. You don't pick it. You have to work hard. I have seen Miwa along the road. I have seen Nebia grass, which means there are some cows here. and a lot of milk. I pass Kimbilili, Jwele, and there's a very famous market for cows. Meat, choice meat. You people eat a lot of meat from here. Do you know where those cows come from? They come from West Pokot. Every Thursday, Friday, Saturday, lorries come here. So we want to improve. We have also improved West Pokot such that we will be bringing you meat. No longer no more hooves and horns coming here. We retain them because we are developing our mechanized slaughterhouse. So I want to thank my brother and say thank you for inviting us. We have learned a lesson here. ECD teachers, where are you? I've also seen, I will bring my ECD teachers here to come and benchmark. Maybe their salary will be better. Thank you and God bless.